IT Asset Management System is a complete lifecycle platform designed for enterprise and manufacturing organizations. Gain immediate visibility of available, assigned, returned, and warranty-sensitive assets from a centralized dashboard. Register individual assets or receive an entire batch, capture procurement and location details, and generate unique asset numbers automatically. Create scannable QR labels and print one or many 70 by 35 mm adhesive labels for fast physical identification. Issue up to 8 assets in one controlled transaction. Preserve employee or department custody and generate professional assignment documentation. Process one or several returns from the same assignment batch, record the condition of every asset, and restore inventory automatically. Maintain employee, department, and location master data so ownership and responsibility remain clear throughout the asset life cycle. Monitor warranty duration, identify upcoming expiry, and support renewal and replacement planning before equipment becomes a risk. Every receipt, update, assignment, and return remains traceable through searchable audit history and management-ready reports. Optional modules include configurable approval workflows, bulk label printing, quantity-based accessory inventory, a Windows inventory agent, and multi-company subscriptions. Modernize your asset control with a secure and practical system built for growing organizations. Contact for pricing at iraqable550@gmail.com.